Please let me close it up, please.
If you woke up or bring students, also tell your students.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to our day three in WordPress class training. So yeah, so I'm just going to preview our previous classes. I'm just going to preview on what we have done so far. Just going to review everything we have done so far. So first of all, um, in our day one, we started by um, started by installation of WordPress. We started by navigating through the dashboard. Now day two, we went about going through the theme installation. Um, we went basically about just the overview of the theme. We installed Astra theme, and aside from installing Astra theme, we imported a theme demo. Um, that's just it. And we imported, I think we imported the shipping, sorry, an e-commerce website. So let's just review it. So as you could see, we we imported this site from the demo team templates. So as you could see, we have a fully functioning website, and yeah, we could just go through these and edit it, change some stuff, work on the menu, like I said earlier, which I taught you guys how to, you know, um, edit the menu, you know. So yeah. So today, basically, we'll be going through what we call uh, the WordPress page builder. So basically, a WordPress page builder and page builder is a plugin or a theme component that allows users to structure and design a responsive page. The page builder to enable one to build page even just as you would play with, okay, with a logo. You select, rearrange, and style what you want on the site. You're welcome. Ultimately, how far was the weekend?
This is a new shaky. I need to tell you about that. You can get
Your system.
now, it's installing. I put that.
Jesus Christ. Let me see the problem.
I don't kill them, you don't get my this. I would also show you.
Let me look at it for you.
You said that.
Yeah, I'm here for it. System like
No, no, just
or why is it tripping up? Using people. In the previous class now,
I think that is my system. The response to
what's your system?
system that is why
Okay.
not even but I'll do that.
So yeah, I just reviewing through the site. Let's just even go through the pages sef, because that last time I didn't even have the time to go through the pages. Let's see.
Then
That's Alright, this is just a demo site that was imported. So today, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be looking at um, a WordPress page builder, which is so like I was reviewing earlier, a WordPress page builder, sorry, a WordPress page builder is a plugin or a theme component that allows users to structure and design responsive page. The page builder to enable one to build page even on complex sites with minimum time, effort, and technical knowledge. Then just as you play with logo, you can select, rearrange, and style what you want on the site. So this is even one of the main the what kicks. Like this is the main this is like the main because me when I'm even designing a site, I don't even use the theme this thing sef. So what I do is I just go and check whether it's compatible with my page, the page builder I want to even use, and then restructure the site. Any um, any um, let's say any design I want to do, I'll just go search for a template, import the template. More just as a team is like where you could see a lot of demo. Yeah, a page builder too also has that functionality where you could import an already made or already built template.
templates, yeah.
Yeah, so it has that template function and it also have that template option, and it also has the area where you could import. Yes, you could even design your header instead of even using the default theme builder. You could design your header, design your footer with a page builder, build a structured, complete website. For me, so that's what I use. I don't go and start stressing myself with the team, start trying to know how the team was built. Like sorry, how to
I
do
do
edit the team and the rest. So many team. If you are using this also team, you have to go and search how to edit because they have their own tutorial that are made, is already made for you to navigate through their team. Yes. Same as but what I just do is I just check the um, if the site, if the team is compatible with the with the elemental page that I'm using, and that's all. Mm, and I'm good to go. So yeah, here are some list of page builders we have. We have the dev, the so these are the list of page builders we have. But for me, I'll be sticking to the elemental page builder, which is is ranked the number one.
Okay.
Yeah, elemental page builder. So we'll be sticking with on this elemental page builder because this is like the hot cake. I've used Darwin page builder before, but it's not it's how will I even put it safe. But I've navigated even this virtual composer. I've used the virtual composer, but the best so far that I've seen that is very easy to learn and very easy to navigate through is the Elementor page builder. And so many teams have it's very compatible with the Elementor page builder. So like I said, before you just go and get anything, you need to make researches. You need to know whether that particular team is compatible. That particular team is
Understand the
compatible
purpose you want to do.
with the plugin you are using. So let's just even navigate through a team and a plugin marketplace. So in the market today, we have the biggest team and plugin market.
Sorry, so what you told me is team and media, did they work differently or they work together?
No, they work differently.
Differently.
Yeah, but you have to install a team before you use a page builder.
Okay, so if we install Astra team,
After using, yeah,
so we're going to use a page builder on Astra team.
yeah. No, if we install Astra team,
Mm.
then we go and install our page builder.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me go through Astra team and show you something. Now, let's go through Astra team. Let me show you something. Like, so of this page builder that is compatible with, as you could see, look at the Elementor page builder, it's compatible builder, it's compatible to e-commerce, which is when you are designing an e-commerce store, like something like Jumia or Tokunga, like something like Amazon. It's compatible with Lendash, which is an LMS system, which is a learning management system. It's compatible with Spectra, which is also it's in this thing a plugin builder, a builder too, and used for SEO optimization. Then so basically you just have to go and make your own research first, before you start, go and download any random thing or the rest. You wanted to say something?
Doubling.
Okay. So yeah, we have imported this thing. We have imported a demo, let's say, okay, a pre-built template from the Astra team. So, yeah, so what we need to do now is, first of all, we need to install the page builder. Let's give it time to load. Sorry. Let's install the page builder. So we can go to plugin, click on install plugin. Yeah, like I said earlier, I use Elementor. Not that you can't use other page builders and the rest, like I showed you earlier. That's their list of sorry, their list of page builders. We have the Devin, we have the Baker builder, which you saw that Baker builder that is compatible with that team. We have the Elementor page Oxygen builder, Seed Pre, and Visual Composer and rest. I've used like basically like two, but for me the best so far is Elementor. Elementor. So yeah, Elementor is a WordPress web builder that's more than 5 million WordPress sites used to create content and design with a virtual drag and drop editor. So that's just it. Inside the Elementor builder, we have what we call the widgets. Now, let's say you want to design this page, and this page comprises of so many widgets. Let's say you want, uh, let's just go here. Let's just go to a random site. Let's use Apple for example. Let's click on it's okay. Like this is the Apple homepage. As you can see, this is a text.
Yes.
Yeah. And this is a button, this is a button, and this is an image. This is a text, button, and this is an image. So in the widget, you have the widget panel in the Elementor when you run the page builder. You have the widgets, which what you just need to do is you be given a blank page. What you just need to do is to drag the widget which you want to use. Let's say you want to use the button. Let's say you want to use the image. You just drag the image. You drag the button, or this feature here is what we call the carousel. This here, this is what we call the carousel. Like this, these are all widgets. This feature you are seeing on this website, you could search for the widget. Understand? You could search for the widget and just design something like this. So you don't need to go and start writing code and start cracking your head on how to do this custom animation, this thing. What you just need to do is to go and search for widgets that can do this particular function. Then you just drag it and drop it and paste it on the side and good to go. In the advanced class, we'll be teaching you some custom widget because Elementor doesn't have all the widgets. So Elementor introduced what we call the Elementor add-on.
Add-on.
Yes, the Elementor add-on. So the thing is, some widget functions that are not in the Elementor give other developers free hand, free access to, to go and design custom web and widgets and this thing, custom, sorry, custom widgets. So in the advanced class, when you come and apply for the advanced class, we're going to teach you how to install those add-on, then how to, run the add-on in the Elementor, and you see the widgets you're looking for. So for the meantime, let's just stick to our Elementor. So for me, I've already downloaded the Elementor. So let me just do this basic process first, because I'm live streaming. So like I said earlier, in our next class, we're going to be designing something. We're going to be designing an Apple website. This Apple website completely. So what I'll do is I'll drop the video of the Elementor in the group, okay, so that you guys should go and memorize it very well and go through it. Then in our next this thing, prepare. I hope you get prepared. Let your system, because we will be designing it together. Because after this course, we are going to do some kind of presentation where everybody is going to come and showcase what they have learned from the distance. So me, I would like my own students to come up with something. Just imagine you're showing them, hey, you clone an Apple site. It's nice. I mean, so yeah. So when you click on add, you just search for Elementor on the load network issue. So yeah, this is the element. So let's just install this. What happened that guy did not come today? I was even supposed to I've activated it. So let me refresh the page. So yeah. I want to show you something. Like anytime you install a plugin, you get to see the access to the plugin through the sidebar here. Like we just installed the Elementor and look at go to plugin and you are there are some plugins sef when you install sef you can go and hide under tool. You need to see the plugin. Basically these plugins are like let's say all these custom resets like that. You don't get to see them at this sidebar here. See them at this tool. So when you install a plugin, you can see the list of plugins you install. Maybe in case you can't find the plugin here, maybe it has hidden under somewhere and you have looked for it and you can't find it. What you just do is to just go look for where you install the plugin. Like you can see settings. You can see this other one. So check out plugin, strive for WooCommerce. You can see settings here. So when you click on this, it's going to take you to where the plugin section is. Yeah, so you can access if you can't find listen. Sorry, let me respond to this message from the group.
Spectra is very sweet for e-commerce.
No, Spectra is just like it's
Basically for shopping.
okay. So the Spectra is just like a builder. It's more like a builder, but more and it's like I think they go in handy with the Astra team because you could install directly the Spectra from the Astra for customization on the website. And with this customization here, all these things that was imported from the Spectra this itself. Yeah, from the Spectra template list. It's still similar to the Elementor page builder. Now, we'll go over to the Elementor page builder and see this is the Elementor page builder. It's going to see this is the Elementor page builder dashboard. This is the site settings, the site logo, global color, global fonts, team builder, pop-up, custom icon, custom fonts. So let's go over to the settings. From the settings here, you could see post type, you could see disable default color, you could see disable default font, and the rest. So this is just navigating through the settings. Maybe in case you have any issue and you're reading the solution to that problem is for you to go and disable something at the setting. So this is how to access the settings manager, we have element manager, we have tools, we have system info, we have get started, we have submission, we have custom font. Now, this custom font is when you want to install a custom font design. Like I said earlier that time, you could just go to Google Font and load the custom font. Now, those fonts actually makes your website look very beautiful. And like if you see this, um, like if you see this font here, this is Apple font. So as in Microsoft, it makes the site look very sweet and wonderful. So from the advanced, like and like I said earlier, there are paid and paid and free, um, paid and free this thing plugin. Elementor is a paid and free. When you pay, you could have access to this feature here, where you could select a custom font. You could upload the custom font you want to use for the page builder. you could use this tool to design a complete website. Like me, so that's what I even do. I just go and see if the team has some specific function that I need, and then I just install the team. When I install the team, I install my page builder on it, come up with my design, or go and download basic templates that has the feature I need. When I upload my templates, immediately I upload my templates, I'll just edit, and decide it's good to go. That's what I just said. So, um, so that's just it. Here's the custom icon and here's the custom code. You can add maybe if you want a specific function you want to design from your head and and be programmer, you can write your scripts and just upload it on your this thing.
You have to upgrade.
You have to upgrade. That is how some most websites, like even the Astra, they are using the free this thing of the Astra team. So some features in the Astra for you to have access to them, you have to you upgrade them. So yeah, in here we got. Let's go over to the page. Sorry, today I'm a little bit like tired.
I will upgrade the RAM before next class.
So yeah, why we have the list of these pages because we imported
Yeah.
a demo this thing. Demo. So all it did is it imported everything for us. So the thing is, if we want to do any settings now, all we just need to do is to just click on edit and it's taking a little bit time to.
And this Wordpress is the most sweet one nowadays.
Web development is very. This is just like okay. This is the imported site now. Now, when you install your page builder, now if that's there's what we call like let's say if because what some team developer actually does is um, okay, let's not even go there yourself. But the thing is, if the team is compatible with if with a certain page builder, the plugin page builder, and you import a demo, basically itself, the demo that you imported is all built with the page builder. So what you just need to do is to just go over to the page. When you go over to the page, you see this edit Elementor at the top, or you see the if you're using okay like design with library, which is that spectral library, design with it and the rest. So the thing is, when you just access the edit option and you are in this section here, all you just need to do is to just click on the edit. Now, the thing is, if the team is actually an elemental compactable team, you could edit the whole panel. You could edit the whole complete panel with the page builder. You just go and do some changes and the rest.
Okay, but at the top, you will see what plugin is being compatible with.
Yes. No, it's going to show. Even if it's not compactable, it's going to show. Understand that? But you can't edit that page. You just see it as a block.
You have limited access.
You can't even touch the page itself. You just only see it. The only thing you can do, I think, basically, that you can just delete the complete design. You can't edit it because it's not being built by that page builder.
It's,
I know it's going to load. This is my this thing. It takes some time. So voila, it has opened. So yeah, let me just make it. So here we go. As you could see, because this tool is sorry, because this tool, oh sorry, please, it's still loading itself. Let it load finish. Sorry, because
Okay, let
this
me just test. And now editable.
yeah, because this tool, it's compatible with with Elementor. It's still loading. I don't know why it's the issue is from my system. Because this tool is compatible with the Elementor page builder, we could have the function, we could have the ability to edit this. Yes, you can see I can edit this. As you could see, I could edit, but I don't think it's fully compatible. It's just misbehaving. I don't know, maybe it should be from my system. So, but when you are, let's go to Code Canon, where you could, let me show you some things where you could, let's go to Code Canon. This is like the biggest market for buying teams and blogging. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Let's see, gaming sites, Elementor. Now, I need team compatible with Elementor. Yeah, he's on add-on. I don't want an add-on. Let me just gaming team. Okay. Sorry, please. Let me just go through this all out. But basically, the thing is, um, when you want to, because this tool, this website, like contains the list of all so many things. You get so you just go, you search for if you're looking for a gaming tool, if you're looking for a blog design, and you have access to the demo of the of the sites, you will see a list of so many demos. You get so when you are looking the details of of the team, you're going to discover that it's going to show you what particular page builder is compatible with. And the thing is, immediately you import that demo thing, immediately you import and you edit straight up. You just go straight to the editing. Because the reason why I'm having issue with this one is because we didn't import. This importing was not
Elemental.
it was not an elemental, it's spectral this thing. So that's why we're having a little bit issue.
So
You know,
we have to install a plugin that will work with that one also.
yes, you can see that I can't do a proper editing on this widget because these widgets are not they are not elemental compatible. That's why when we're trying to import now, we import with Spectra.
Yes.
So now the Spectra we imported now is its own. I can only use the Spectra this thing edit with Spectra to edit page properly. Let's even do it together so that you see what I'm telling you. Let me just go to the settings panel. Good panel. Okay, Steam Forest. Is what I'm looking for. Let me show you a sample of what I am doing. Let's upload. So design library. Okay. Ah, let's see everything into that as well. Let's just keep that. As long as other places ready. Let's go through this. Let's search for gaming. Let's set it to the page builder we want. So yeah, see this? Like these are list of sites. These are list of themes that are compatible with Elementor. Let's live preview it. This is like the biggest I'm listing. This is like the biggest market where you can
Team Forest.
team market, team forest, they call it team forest, where you can download a lot of things. You can see a lot of things that you just paid for. As you can see, this is the preview. See, esports home, Elemental or WP Bakery, which is the WP Bakery is the team the page builder. You can see Elemental this thing. So if we click on Elemental, let's click on Elemental. So let's see if it's going to give us that option. Ouch. Okay. Okay. So now this now, as you can see now, this like this as it is like this. What we just need to do is go to that settings page, edit with Elementor, and you will have access to all these things. Like literally all these things. You're gonna have access to all these things. What you just need to do is you just go just this side, edit it, and the rest. We're gonna do a normal editing. Then I'll show you how easy it is to edit with Elementor. It's very easy, like sugar. So see who contact us and the rest. Let's click on this. So very, very easy and simple. And the most funniest thing is that these widgets you see are widgets that have been built with Elementor. Like this, all this image, this widget you see, this widget you see, this complete widget here you see, this one here you see, this widget animation here. They are Elementor widgets. So the moment you install this theme, it installs the Elementor by default. It installs so many. And let me even let you know about something. Sir. Some theme when you are installing some themes, it requires you to install some other themes with it. Like you are going to see the error when you're going through the installation process. So what you just need to do is to just install the required theme and required theme with it, and then when you click on edit, your site will be fully running functionally. Everything will be okay. So with these things, all these things you see, you can just edit it. If you want to write code lab or member, you just click here, you edit it, write it, click there, and simple as.
So, can someone use a WordPress to create a dynamic website?
Yes, it has dynamic this way in the Elementor Pro. It has what we call a dynamic how do we call it? Dynamic I've forgotten where you can pull out some certain dynamic features on the
Okay.
site.
Like that shopping cart that we downloaded,
Mm.
the DNK. This.
Yes, the Astra this thing.
So now, like the way it is now,
Mm.
it looks like a static website. But actually, can someone place order after place order, buy from it, everything?
Yes, there's a plugin for it.
Okay.
Yeah, but we're going to be teaching that, and we're going to be teaching you how you could install, how you could build the e-commerce website from the advanced class. We're going to be teaching you how to build an element system. But if you are very good enough and following following the classes very well, you could still even follow up and still build these things. We're going to teach you from the advanced class, we're going to teach you how you install an LMS, that is a learning management system, e-commerce website, and beautiful looking website. So yeah, so let's just go back to our website and let's just so now the thing is because now I have edited this page with Elementor, I will see I don't even need to go and start opening the edit. All I need to go is to go over through the page I've edited with Elementor and you see edit with Elementor at the side. So I don't need to go and start opening the page or
Okay. The page that
um,
you have not visited with the inventor.
you have not edited with it, you can't see it when you go over through it. You have to look at like this checkout or card or this contact us. You have to go and click on the edit. You're not going to see the edit with Elementor except you have edited that page with Elementor. I want us to do more than 1 hour. So
So,
I said I don't want us to do more than 1 hour. I'll just send you the because you can't cover in this class you can't cover the whole element. So I'll just do a little, a little touches on it, then send you a video, I'll send the video on the group, and then you just go through the video and then voila, you are good to go. I think basically this thing is being built by this the default block itself. It's not even being built by it's being built by the default block. If I see
the
like
default blog.
the default WordPress block.
Okay.
Yeah, I told you about WordPress has its own blog builder now.
Yeah.
This blog builder is it now, as you can see. But that's now this Elementor has some kind of funny, funny how will I even put it? Funny actions that can be done to this website, even if the website is being, even if we have developed, even if we have done some like the heading is being built because basically you can even design your heading and footer with the Elementor. You don't need to go and use the page builder design, but that one is with the Elementor Pro, not with the the free Elementor, which is still going to be in the advanced class. But for now, let's stick to this one and let's just do a custom design. Let's create a new page. Let's just create a new page. Let's create a new page and let's design something with our page builder. Let's just title the site. Demo with page. Let's just name it demo design. This is the name of our page. Demo design. And let's just publish. Let's publish it. So, switch for it to publish. There's what we call classical editor.
Classical editor.
Yes, if you don't want your WordPress site editor edit page to be looking like this, you could just go and download what we call a classic editor. On the classic, you will just see automatically this page will change. It will not be like very
Nice like this.
wide like this. And me, self, I don't even like using the page like this. I just go install class. That's my first thing I even install. When I install it, sorry, I'm creating a new page. I don't know why it's delaying like this. We have a lot of this thing here. A lot. Like look at this one itself, Indian Game Studio. I have a lot.
$69.
Hmm?
I'm saying the cost of for someone to buy a very
It's because of the dollar price.
thing. You will first of all collect part of interest.
It's not yeah, this thing. So you see this. This is already been designed by the page builder. I think this is what we call is it called the MacQ widget? Let's see. So, this is home one. Let's see home that it's for home two. So yeah, let's just go now in this page section. Let me just go and use. Sorry, let me even install this my classical editor because it looks very easier for me. And I'm using my element tool. Sorry, let me install the classical editor and let me run. See a classical editor, yes. Let me install it.
What is that the last one I start? Once you open that page, it will give you automatic listing.
Hmm? Automatic what?
It's not going to plug in. Once you install it, as you start showing that white this thing.
That's what we are doing now
That's
currently
classic
now, the
editor.
classical editor. So
Okay.
when I finish installing it now, what it's gonna do, you see the difference. Immediately I enter the edit the page. Immediately I want to you just see the difference. So I like it because it makes me I don't that's the default WooCommerce this thing edit page. I don't like it like that because it doesn't look too neat and arranged. It looks so bulky, you know. Let me just show you. Let's go to that page I created.
Demo is a simple thing.
Okay, sorry, demo design. Let's just click on edit. See, you can see the way this looks, right? It looks very neat. Very okay.
So what
Now,
do
all
you
your page builders, okay, okay, structure requires a block. Now, I've even discovered that that spec builder self, by default, the builder is block builder self. It works in hand with the WordPress default system there. I don't even I don't even basically use all those. I just go straight and use the thing that's compatible with Elementor. I think as a web designer self, you should have your own workflow, what tools you use, and you don't use all the whole tools. But if
That's the one I
someone
used to.
eh,
That's the one to use
you
to
use and then you get
master this.
perfected in it. But maybe when they call you to design a site that is being built with another thing, you can just go into the internet and make the site. And you know the most funny thing, all of them are similar, very similar. Like the way you do some functions here is the same thing with the way you do um, the way you do some functions here is the same thing the way you do other functions. Okay, okay. Sorry. It's the way you so all of them are very similar. So let's just hit the edit. Let's just go straight to the let's just go straight to the edit. Jesus, this was plain. I don't even know. Damn. Okay, how about then activate this social system? Ah, very good. So yeah, this is our builder. Now This is our widget. Now, this lock you see are the pro features.
Features.
These are the free features in this. So you could see site, you would see that. So you could see. So we go to and so yeah, we'll click on this green. We either have, these directions now actually now stack the widgets, whether it goes downward or it goes straightward. And this is just like dividing the columns into two. These are just the style for the container. So let's just go with the empty style. Let me show you something now. Now this is the empty style now. This is the container empty style now. If I add any text here, and let me add another text here again. Let me add an image text here downward. And let me add like a button. Let's add a button. So you could see, as you could see, it stacked each other because the direction of this box
Download.
is downward. Get me? The direction is downward. But let's say I change direction because even if I select the settings here, all I just need to do is to click on this here, which is the container, edit the container, horizontal. Now you could see now that it has arranged. Let's say I want to design something straight instead of stacking it. So what I just need to do is just pick up any to edit it from here to be either horizontal or vertical. This is vertical and this is horizontal. You get me? It's very simple, like ABC. Now, let's say I want to arrange it. Let's just okay. Let's say I want to align it. Let's say I want to align it now. I could either align it. This is to start, which let me adjust this so that you see it clearly. You see the function. Let me just adjust this. Let's just make it like this. And let's say I want to align it now. I click the edit this thing. I could either align it, okay, align this thing in the middle or downward. This is to align and downward. Now the justify content now is to either content is to actually know the how will I even put it safe. Let's say to justify the content, I can either make it arranged like this or make it center. So you see it's end, which is going to be at the last side there. Center, start, you get. So it's very simple. Let's say I want space between it. Simple. Or let's say I want it to be together. Space eventually. So it's very simple. I will drop a video through it and to if I don't want space to be between it, I don't want space to be between it. This is to add. Now let's just go here. As you could see, this is the column. If I say 10, the space will be 10. Now if there are other the ones underneath it will give it this thing. Okay, let me show you something. Let's make this duplicate and let's wrap it up. See, it's going beyond the width of the image, but we could wrap it up. I want it to go beyond this width. We could say it like this. Instead of it going, what it does is automatically stacks
Stack it.
each other together. So what we just need to do is, let's say we want that. I just want to show you an example of we actually wanting to, make a gap between this and this here. The start, the start widgets between. This is my phone by this time. Let's make it 20 or incoming call from OTA underscore and identified by true caller. As you could see now, this stack widget now, there's a space between it. You get? There's a now this is to handle the row gap, and this is to handle the column gap. This column, this is between the line, and this is between the stacked this time. So it's very simple and easy. So I'll drop a video for you guys. Can't even cover this. Like it's very much. We can't even cover this. If you go through the video from there, like you said, you have to do research on your own. You have to do your own personal research on it. If you go to video through the this thing, it's gonna. I think the elemental video is up to like hour plus self. So we're gonna show you how, you know, just step by step guide. But let's design something. Let's design something very quick and easy before we go. Now we're going to use this to actually design the Apple site I was talking of. This Elementor, even with the free, we're going to use it to design something similar to this, exactly like this, and it's very easy and sweet. It's not even that hard, not even that complex. So yeah, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to get the images, then I'll send it in the group, then we'll design something. And then this business is that stack, that box arrangement is that. Yes, this side now. No, it's got down. Okay, I should put that. This box now. Yes. Box. Now, the amazing thing about this is that inside this column, you could add another column. Inside that column, you could add another column again. Get so you could add like 3 columns. 1, 2, 3. Which I'm going to send a video on. So now, if we say we want to do something like this, how do we do it? Because I told you we could either make it horizontal or vertical. The vertical is taking it downward, and the horizontal is taking it sideways. So we could either say, okay, make this like this, then we add another one here. Do we set it horizontal? Okay, we set it horizontal. So let's add another one. Let's add it to this side here. You know. Sorry. Ouch. Let me just make it very easy. Sorry, please. Sorry, please. Jesus. Let's wait to see. Why is it keeping like this? Alright. It's good see. We got 2 box. So we could make this like 50% and this 50%. Very easy, simple. So you can see we got these 2 box here. So we just need to add the assets. Let's say because this is an image, this is a write up, and this is a button. So let's just add the accent here. Let's make this like, let's add the image, add the button, the text, and for now we add the button. So you see, site is good to go. Let's arrange, align it, align. Let's say because of these spaces here, let's say we want to take out these spaces here. So what we just need to do is to take off, put it to zero, and boom, our space is already out. So if we add this picture from here, add this picture from here, add this text from here, we see we have designed this. If I add this image,
I don't know. It's not that
no, I will especially need to go and the way I will take out the image. If I'm going to take the image out now, it's going to take out time. Yeah, and now this has what we call the responsive mode. This is what we call the responsive mode. Now the thing is, you might do the design here and it might look good, but if you switch it to your tablet view, it might not look good. So it gives you the functionality to make an adjustment on the desktop view, tablet view, and phone view. Very simple and easy. Yes, very very simple and easy. Very easy. So we have a lot of widgets here. So what we just need to do to update. When you are done, sorry, this here we know. So when you are done designing the updates, so you don't have any. It's not complex. It's not that hard. I will just send a video tutorial for you guys should just go through it. And then in the next class, we'll get all the whole image documentation from this. And then we'll be designing something like this. We'll crack our head. It's a little bit complex how when you are trying to solve some design problem. But if you go through the video I'm going to send for you, definitely you can.
to me, easy something.
It will be a very easy something. And with constant practice, you you can just you can design this within a single of and even Microsoft. Let's go to Microsoft. I'm telling you, these are the top-notch sites that are being built with even code self. The way Elementor has actually made it very easy for us. Even with this site here like this, we could do something like this with Elementor sharp, and it's going to look very standard. Or do we design this, or we should design the Apple site? Let's design the Apple site. The Apple site is
It's
very, very
more complex than this one.
huh? More. You see it now, it's just stacking of email.
Apple is just a static, not like
They call it the carousel. Yes, it's called the carousel. It's called. So you need to make your own research for you to be good. That's just it. MacQ image sample. MacQ image is basically just a animated slider images or text. There are some text you just see, the text will just be moving like this. It's called the MacQ. So it's very easy and very easy and easy and easy and simple.
my sister and my friend now. I'm gonna say it.
So what I'll do is I'll just drop a video sample. I'll drop a video sample on the group and then we are all good to go. So yeah. So thank you everyone. So you can like the video, subscribe. Thank you very much.